You don't even know what you're in for, viewer!
What?
Where's my dinner suit?
What?
Where is my dinner suit?
I put it away.
Where?
Why do you need to know?
I need it.
Don't think about eating Sonic and his friends again. You've been planning this dinner date for 2 months. You have perfectly food right here.
My stomach is in danger.
Our evening is in danger.
You tell me where my suit is, robot. We're talking about the greater good.
Greater good? I am your chef. I am the greatest good you're ever gonna get.
You get no dishes. Bottom fat. It's fucking raw.
What's the matter, Doctor? You don't like tofu?
I will settle for no tofu dinner.
Just eat your tofu! Doctor, I find there is no reason to use the time stone to manipulate time to go and hunt Sonic's friends all over again. You still have half of Sonic's body in the fridge. Fine! I'll go use the time stone, bring back time, and hunt Sonic and his friends just for you, my majesty. As if being a robot was hard enough.
Furnace. 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 Hey, Furnace. Hey, Furnace. 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 Hey, Furnace.
What the fuck could you possibly have to say?
Talk.
You know, Ivo, being a robot is a lot harder than you think.
Furnace, did you put edibles into my meal?
It's between you and me, Sonic. But I'm thinking of eating.
Road work ahead? Yeah, I sure hope it does.
I look like you. You look like me. Die!
Furnace or metal fine? Which do you prefer? Subscribe and hit the bell. Make sure to like the video too.
If you want me so bad, you can suck this robot cock.
What's the matter, Miles? You said you wanted to be like a hero, and I can't help.
Ivo, it's 3 a.m. Time for Sonic hunting season to begin once again. Ivo, I think it's time I cut my nails.
Furnace, no such thing shall happen.
Here's your meal, Doctor. Laid over a hot stove. Or oven. Or furnace, actually.
Furnace, 0.0000001% of my meal is pink. Go back and cook it again. I banged your mother. Where the hell did those come from? Oh, you. Don't fuck with me. I have the power of God and the time stone on my side.
Ha ha ha. I can't read.
You ignored me once, so I'll tell you this one more time. Subscribe and hit the like button.